Good morning, everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to work upon a formula which is very helpful in English. So, in English, whenever we make any sentence, either we speak or either we write, so it is based upon that simple formula. So, either we write something, we listen something, we read something, we speak something. So, it depends upon that particular formula which we are going to work on. So I usually say to my student, for example, at present the year 2020 is going on. So the English as a language which we use at present, or the English which we would use 1000 years back, means in the year 1020, 1020, or the English which we are going to use after 1000 years, means in 3020, in the year 3020. That simple formula about English is same. It was the same in the past and it would be same in the future also. So our all whole English depends upon that simple formula. So if you really want to learn English, if you really want to improve English, so you have to work on this particular formula, and I believe that up to large extent your English would get improved, and moreover it would be quite helpful for you in the upcoming sessions to learn English in a better way. So definitely there would be many candidates who would have already the information about this formula. So the formula is subject plus verb plus object. Yes, this is the formula. So which is used in all the tenses. So or either the tenses about present, past, future, either we tell about any sort of clause, either we work on active, passive. So by using this formula you can make these sentences easily. Either you are going to write a simple topic or you are going to pen down an essay. So with the help of this formula, by following this formula, you can do it in a better way. So now what this formula means? So as far as this first one word is concerned, it is a subject. So in English, whenever we are going to make any sentence, so first of all we have to think about this one thing. So in an easy way, if someone tells you to write something about education, so at that time education is a subject. So if you are going to speak something about your father, so at that time father is subject. So if you are going to tell something or write something about your clothes, about your attire, at that time your clothes or attire is a subject. So the main thing which works in any sentence, that is a subject. So in English, subjects are of two types. They are known as singulars and plurals. So as far as singulars are concerned, they are he, she and it, and the plurals are I, we, you and they. So many students think that singular means if we are talking about a single person. It is not about that. Singular means third person singular. Yes, it is a third person singular. For example, if we talk about I at present I am talking about myself. So it is I at present I am single, but I am a first person over here. If I am talking to someone, the person is sitting in front of me, so he's a or she is a second person. So if we go with you, I am the first person, either I am single, that is the second person, either he or she is single. But if we both talk about a third person, for example me and that person are talking about Salman Khan, so he, that is a third person singular. If we are talking about someone's mother, sister, friend, she, it is a third person. So or if we talk about any book, pencil or any other object, single object, then it is a singular. So if we talk about any particular subject which is of first person, so we are going to keep it in the plurals category. If that is a second person, we are going to keep it in a plurals category. But if the person is single and it is a third person, only at that time we keep it in the category of singular. So hope you got the point. So these 7 words are written over here. So in English, if we are going to talk about anything, anything means if we are going to talk about from needle to mountain, we can make the sentences, we can take the subject as a by starting our sentence with these 7 words. Next one thing is verb. So it is a subject, it is known as doer also. After the subject, we have to use a verb. Verb means action. So in every sentence, there is a one sort of action. So whatever we are going to do in that particular sentence, it is known as a action and it is as a verb. So if we go with the verb, for example, go. There is activity is going on, a person is going from one place to another place, it is known as a verb. And next one thing, it is a play. So a person is playing something, any sort of game, any sort of sport. So at that time he or she is doing that activity. So it is a play. So these are known as a verb. And last one is object. So whatever the work is going to happen on a particular thing, that is known as a object. For example, she goes to stadium. Stadium is object. She cooks delicious food. Delicious food is object. She learns English. English is object. So that is the thing. Subject means doer, verb means any sort of action, and last one object, whatever the action is going on and it is done upon this one thing. So this is the formula you have to work upon. By doing the work on it, you can improve your English. So enough for today. Have a nice day to all of you. Bye bye.